Welcome to M+ Weekly Bites, bringing you some key highlights for the week. Last week, the FBM KLCI ended lower on the back of profit-taking activities after Public Bank exercised its bonus issue, and market sentiment was fairly neutral to downward bias prior to the long weekend. Also, we noticed the glove heavyweights went through a volatile session after the interesting incident on Wall Street due to a group of retailers challenging the hedge funds on stocks that have a high short interest ratio. Nevertheless, this episode has not deterred market players from bargain hunting within the technology sector in the US, and market sentiment recovered over the past 2 trading days. We should expect the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite to trend higher for this week, heading into the full-blown reporting season in the US. Closer to home, we notice investors have been scooping up shares on the technology sector in line with the sentiment abroad. On the news that Tech announced the strategic partnership with Atlas Motor Vehicle to assist Atlas in developing an electric vehicle battery pack assembly production line at its HQ in Arizona, share price has surged strongly after the opening bell. Hence, we believe companies that are involved in the EV industry to gain better traction from the traders moving forward. Meanwhile, as we are entering the February reporting period, we opine investors may position themselves in counters that have higher certainty in earnings. Technology sectors should remain in the forefront, while plantation and consumer-related stocks could be seen as resilient sectors under the current economic climate. As the FBM KLCI is below the EMA 20 level, we believe it should be trading on a range-bound mode over the next few days. Resistance is set around 1600 to 1610, while support is located around 1550 to 1560. That's all we have for today. To stay up to date with Weekly Bites, like and follow us on Facebook and M+ Online.